Hey folks, welcome back to Technik. I'm Flynn, your packaging expert. We didn't drop a video on Monday because we've been working on a new series for you, and this one will be all about how to take your product from an idea to the marketplace from a packaging perspective. We'll be looking at all the factors to consider, from package size and design to cost, marketing considerations, and even eco-friendliness, and of course we'll be looking at all the ways Technik can help you bring your products to market. Whether you're just starting a new business, adding a product line to your current offerings, or just looking for ways to improve your existing package, there'll be something for you in this video series. Please like and subscribe to us on YouTube or follow us on your preferred social media to get the latest videos as soon as they're released. The first consideration when talking about packaging is, of course, the product. At Technik, we've seen just about everything. Food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, medical devices, consumer packaged goods, veterinary and pet care products, cosmetics, even cannabis. You name it, we've probably helped package it. But what aspects of the product are important from a packaging perspective? Well, the physical characteristics are generally what we focus on. Are they solid products like candy bars, multiple distinct pieces like a medical kit with medicine, dosers, and leaflets, powders like drink mixes, liquids like beverages and some pharmaceuticals? How do you measure the product? Is it sold per piece? Do you sell a given weight of product like many food products? Or is it sold by volume like drinks? Are your products packaged in single servings or doses? That could point to a much different package style than something designed for bulk or institutional use that might contain hundreds of servings per package. Details like product color and flavor matter a lot to your customers, but don't generally impact the packaging. So you can actually move forward with packaging decisions in parallel with finalizing these types of details. The one exception could be package artwork that reflects these specific details of your product, but even there we have some options to keep your packaging design flexible while you fine-tune your product. If you're ready to start solving your packaging challenges, give us a call or send us a message, and the packaging experts at Technik will get started on the perfect packaging solution for your project. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.